first video about Match.com site, which provides us with a automation platform. Mailings. I will try to give you a quick but comprehensive overview of process of creating a campaign email that will allow you to send your emails of events or promotions to hundreds or even thousands of recipients at a time. Music. So we will first of all connect to the accounts we have previously created, then during first connections the site try to secure your account. I chose the SMS method because that with almost instantaneous it is enough just checking code from SMS. Now let's go to the page of campaign management. This page allows in particular to create a new emailing campaign. We now come to the page of creation of the mail. We have the sections which make it possible to determine recipient, the sender, the subject, and especially the content in our mailers. Let's now click on the different actions that allow define this email. Then address forms allows you to define the list of recipients of another email from, allows to give a name to the sender as well as an email back. It's obligatory and objected to define the main subject as a subject which will be visible in the preview of email. The body design of the email will be detailed in an upcoming video. Once the design of your email finish, I advise you to move to the preview screen to view your mail in desktop or mobile mode. The inbox function, and by paying that will not detail here, it must finally pass by an ultimate verification phase, that is to send the test mail. This mail is sent to people you specify manually. You can also specify a small message and it will check if all the fields of your mail, that this, either the sender, the name of the sender, the body of the mail, the subject, where the preview are correct. Let's go back to this page to check one last time the information seizures, and we see that the functionality to send test emails is present again. It shows how much this functionality is critical. IU strongly encourages its exploitation for send one or more test emails. Back on the big campaigns, we can perform some actions on the different mails, as for example delete them. It is also possible to review the email or edit it, which does not give access to the send buttons on the mail. We have one last chance of to cancel our action, just to send. Click on send now. Here we go, and here is our mail left, and no longer possible to stop it. We only have to go see sending reports that are available from this screen right there. The mail has just left, so we'll all the numbers to 0, but it's also possible to access this screen since the campaign screen, the button would have there. Door is used for that. Here is. I hope this video has you been helpful. If that's the case, do not forget to click the video, and if you want me to deal with topics and it's me a comment, to see you soon.